If you're on the lookout for a stylish yet comfortable shirt, the COOFANDY men's button-down shirts are a fantastic choice. Made from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, these shirts offer a lightweight and soft feel, making them ideal for spring, autumn, or winter wear. The material provides a comfortable wearing experience that lasts all day, which is great for both casual and semi-formal occasions. One of the standout features of these shirts is the Cuban collar, also known as the camp collar. This design adds a touch of retro charm, making the shirt versatile enough to be dressed up or dressed down. Whether you're heading to the office, attending a party, or just going out for a casual day, this shirt fits the bill perfectly. The slim fit adds a modern touch, enhancing your physique without feeling restrictive. It's the kind of shirt that looks great on its own or layered under a jacket or sweater. The ribbed knit texture adds a unique element, setting it apart from standard dress shirts. Another great aspect of this shirt is its ease of maintenance. It's machine washable, which is a huge plus for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Overall, this COOFANDY men's button-down shirt is a stylish, versatile, and comfortable addition to any wardrobe.